Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Docents Digitalis TV. In today's video, we're going to cover basic English for the subway and train. Whether you're traveling to work, sightseeing, or just getting around, knowing the right phrases for using public transportation in English will make your journey much easier. Let's go over some essential phrases and tips to help you navigate the subway and train with confidence. Let's get started. Phrase number 1. Where is the nearest subway station? The first thing you'll need to do is find the subway or train station. Here's how to ask for directions. Excuse me, where is the nearest subway station? Can you tell me how to get to the train station? This is the perfect phrase to ask locals or staff if you need help finding your way. Phrase number 2. How much is a ticket? Once you find the station, you'll need to buy a ticket. Use this phrase to ask about the cost. How much is a one-way ticket? How much is a ticket to your destination? This helps you get the information you need before purchasing your ticket. Phrase number 3. Can I buy a ticket here? Sometimes you may need to ask where to purchase your ticket, especially in bigger stations. Here's how to do it. Can I buy a ticket here? Where can I buy a ticket? You can use these phrases to ask if there's a machine, a counter, or if you need to buy your ticket online. Phrase number 4. Which train goes to your destination? To make sure you're getting on the right train, use this phrase. Which train goes to Central Station? Does this train go to destination? It's always good to double-check that you're on the right line or platform. Phrase number 5. When is the next train? Timing is everything when using the subway or train, so use this phrase to ask about the schedule. When is the next train to your destination? What time does the next subway arrive? This helps you plan your journey and avoid missing your train. Phrase number 6. How many stops until your stop? To make sure you know when to get off, this phrase will come in handy. How many stops until Times Square? Can you tell me when we reach your stop? This helps you keep track of your stop, especially if you're unfamiliar with the area. Phrase number 7. Excuse me, is this seat taken? If the train or subway is crowded, you may need to ask about available seating. Here's how to politely ask. Excuse me, is this seat taken? Can I sit here? It's a polite way to check if the seat is free before sitting down. Quick review. Basic English for the subway and train. Where is the nearest subway station? Ask for directions to the station. How much is a ticket? Ask about the price of the ticket. Can I buy a ticket here? Ask where to buy your ticket. Which train goes to destination? Confirm you're on the right train. When is the next train? Ask about the schedule. How many stops until stop? Keep track of where to get off. Excuse me, is this seat taken? Politely ask about available seating. With these phrases, you'll be able to navigate the subway and train system with ease in English. Whether you're commuting or exploring a new city, these essential expressions will make your travel experience much smoother. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Docents Digitalis TV for more practical English tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Safe travels and happy learning!